Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service MC Monday Tip of the Week Part 2. I'm really excited. I don't think I really ever had an episode 2 of anything. Well, I did a couple bikes things, but that's beside the point. So we're going to continue this through the winter, and today we're going to talk about prospect kits. So hang around if you want to talk about that and stay and check this out. If you're new here to Yogi Cycle Service, I thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. If you like what you see, mash on the thumbs up and do me a favor, surf around, check out some of my other videos. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, give a brother some love. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by and checking me out. I hope you like this episode too. Prospect kits. Let's get into it. This tip comes from July 27th, 2020, so this year. Prospect kits. I hate this topic. I really do, but I feel I need to address it. I have seen so many states tell their prospects to carry a backpack worth of crap, shall we say. And that, in my opinion, is absolutely ridiculous. When I was a prospect, I had to carry 3 things, and that's it. A pad of paper, a pen, and a lighter, period. That said, you carry what your ma tells you to carry. Ma is another word that we use for your sponsor. No, these are the minimums. If you want to carry more than that, feel free either on your person or in your saddlebag. Bottom line is to get with your ma and get with your sponsor and see what they want you to carry. I see some people like pretty much toting around backpacks. Or are you like a Boy Scout? You're going hiking? Sometimes things are, you have fun. Yes, there is an amount of fun and hazing, I guess you will say, with the process. That's part of the fun. That's part of the process. So that may happen, but generally as a rule of thumb, carrying that much junk around? No. It's not me. Hey, maybe some kind of patch, some patches things, but that's just not me, and that's not really what I focus on. Other things. I'll bust chops in other ways, in different ways. I don't do it making people carry a whole bunch of worthless junk around just to prove that they can tote stuff around. I'll challenge you in other ways. Trust me. But again, dude, I'm just Yogi. So hey, I'm not the know all be all. This is just my perspective on how I do it. If you're going to be a prospect with me and under me and a club son to me, my minimum is pad of paper, pen, and a lighter. I've been known to enjoy a cranberry Red Bull, but I like black coffee too. All right, y'all. Hope you enjoyed this MC Monday tip, and I will catch you on the next one, episode 3. Take care, Yogi Clan. Peace.